So how are you feeling? Firstly, question comes from Arise.
I just feel a little bit nervous
Why
after
are you
staying here.
feeling it? Why are you feeling a little bit nervous?
Because I don't know how which type of question you ask.
Will be asked. Yeah, so don't worry, there will be not any UPSC questions. So there will be
Yes, I know.
there will only casual questions which people talks with each other. Like if you are going and sitting here, so whatever you are talking with them, so that kinds of question you will have. Okay, so can you describe yourself in just some words?
Well, my name is Shaya Shrivastava and I am recently passed my 12th with commerce. That's all.
That's all. And what about your family members?
Well, there are 3 family members in my family, including me. That's my mother, my little brother, and me.
Little brother and you. And what about your mother?
My mother is a chef.
Okay, so there will be 4 family members,
No, and
including you.
how?
So your father,
My father was expired when I 11 year old. When I was 11.
oh sorry for that. Okay, so that's right thing. So what do you do? So you are a student as you said.
Yes,
Which
I'm-
class are you studying?
I'm recently studying in first year.
What do you want to become?
I just want to become a CEO.
CEO. Which company CEO do you want to become? Do you have any particular company which where you want to go?
I just think it is a personal question.
No, it is not personal question. I think it is just
Well,
common question. People want to ask. Do you want to ask now? That which company you want to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Well, I just think that.
I'm just thinking that.
I'm just thinking that it's my own company that I was become.
You will have your own company.
Yes, I want to have
CEO.
my own company CEO.
Okay, so if you will have your own company, so you will be called owner now. So how will you call
Yes,
CEO?
yes, I know.
But still you want to become a CEO.
Yes.
Okay, it's a great thing by the way. You have great vision. Okay, just listen. Which kinds of things are you doing for it?
Recently, I was just preparing for CAT examination.
Oh, CLAT exam.
CAT examination, yes.
Oh, for I think becoming for CEO, it is not need to CLAT anything.
Yeah, but I just completed my post graduation with MBA.
You have just completed your post graduation, and now.
क्या भैया क्या भैया?
Now you just have completed your post graduation.
Then I was finding a job
Then I'm
and
finding a job.
collecting money for it.
Okay, so if you will find job, so will you do it?
I just think
Yeah, which kinds of job what do you do? We can say in technical sector.
Yeah, it's like technical sector's job, but yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, right. Okay, so what are you doing for living? What are you doing for living? The question is means how, what is your
Yeah,
income source?
Income source.
Yeah.
Yes, I already told that my mother is a chef.
So she is your pocket money, na? So she will not call your income source of income. She will call your pocket money. She gives you pocket money.
Yeah.
Then it's okay, it's good. And what about your brother? You told about your brother.
My brother was studying 11th standard commerce recently.
Okay.
He
What
was
does
recently passed his 10th.
okay? What does he want to become?
He want to become a CA.
He wants to become.
He wants to become CA.
Okay,
CA.
everyone want to become in your home CEO and CA. Okay.
Chartered. He wants to
Chartered
become
accountant. Yeah. Okay. So that's a great thing. So he's actually working for it because of he chose.
Yes, he's
Commerce.
actually working and he work hard for it.
Just less aside that's the thing. Are you foodie?
Yes, I am.
Which kinds of food do you like?
Any kind of food I just love, but that
What about the street foods?
street food.
What do you like mostly in street foods? Do you love everything in street food? foods? Okay,
Everything.
mostly what do you love?
Mostly the momos.
Momos. Do you know how much harmful momos is?
Yes,
Why
I
still you
know.
consume it? Why?
Because I love it.
Because you
Because I
love.
love to eat it.
Oh, you love to eat it. That's why you consume it. But you know, after some time, you will have lots of diseases in your health.
Yes,
So,
I know.
are you still ready for it for diseases?
No, I know that how harmful momos are, so I just trying to control myself to eat it.
Okay, you are just forcing yourself. Don't go there.
Yes,
After
I'm
seeing the
trying.
momos, yeah, I will not see that like that.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook momos?
No, I don't.
Do you know cooking?
No, I don't know how to cook.
Your mother is sad, so still you do not to know that how to cook. Why?
Um,
You have talented person in your home, but still you are not unable to do it. Why?
I don't know, but I just don't try.
Cook. Acha, whenever did it come ever that when there is no there in your home there is no mom, so and there is no food, especially no food, and you are feeling hungry, so that time what do you do?
So I just cook for myself, but
Yeah, because sometimes you were saying that I don't cook anything. I
yes,
don't know.
I don't know how to cook very well, but I'm just comfortable with my food.
Yeah, you can cook jala puja and eat. So it is comfortable. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So, which kinds of problem do you have while learning English?
I just think that in tenses or in speaking,
Tenses and speaking are common. Just let aside these things. This is the thing which we don't know that we because these is because we don't know. We don't do. We don't habit of doing it. So that's the things. Yeah, if you will continue with speaking, with learning, so this will automatically come. So that's a not I think problem. That's a not problem. Problems like that you hesitate while speaking, you forget the things while speaking, you don't think while speaking. That kinds of things are problems. So do you have any kind of these problems?
yeah, I just forget what should I trying to say.
Whatever you are
What
going to
I
present.
wanted to present.
It happens.
and say.
Does it happen with you whenever you
Yes,
go to
whenever I come to stage, it
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah, you forget that what I have to tell you. It is common
Yeah.
problem. When I used to study, when I used to learn English, so it was also with me. Okay, I also forget to speak what I am actually coming here for.
Yeah, what I actually prepared, I don't know how to speak it on the stage.
Okay. So, Chaya, it was good conversation with you. So next time we will think to have more conversation because of today. In this scenario, I have given 10 minutes for every people and you have already completed your 10 minutes. Okay? So next time we will have more conversation. It was good to talk with you. Okay? Yeah. Welcome. Just put the off the video.
Yeah.
Just off the video camera.